Hi guys, Jason Lanier here, and I'm going to do a wee video here in the beautiful land of Ireland. I'm here in Belfast at Catchlight Studios, and I am shooting with some amazing models. We're going to share the shoot with you today. Sam, my man, is filming this, and I hope you guys like this. We're pretty much shooting all today with Godox, maybe some other things, but this is pretty much a Godox shoot today, Pixapro, whatever you want to call it. And I'm excited about it. Beautiful models, beautiful place, awesome people. Ireland couldn't get better, so let's do this.